channel. This is my second video, and today we are going to do what's in my purse. So here is it, and yeah, we're gonna start now. So it has front packet, so inside is trash, and I have the lip gloss from the Balm. This is it. And that's it. So we're gonna go on the big section. We'll start on the pocket. I have feminine pads. So yeah, so I always make sure that I have it on my bag. So this is where I put it. And there's a 2 packet inside, so I have trash and a small hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works. On the second pocket, I have a tester, perfume tester, and an empty Mentos, which is trash. And so now the inside, I know looks garbage, but it is what it is. I have this small pouch, and usually what I put inside is all of my makeups, and like my lotion, my hand sanitizer, my perfumes. But right now, since my bag is like super messed up, what I have in here is hand lotion, which is super important if you live in a country that is super cold. And I have oil absorbing sheet from Clean and Clears. I have this for so long now, but I barely use it because I always forget that I have it. And I have hand cream again, and perfume tester from Meets Dior, which I super love, and a Vaseline for dry lips. And I for so long now, but I barely use it because I always forget that I have it. And I have hand cream again, and perfume tester from Meets Dior, which I super love, and a Vaseline for dry lips. And I have tester again from Dolce & Gabbana. I like that one too. And ponytail, face mask, and I have my lip tint from Ever Belena, which is from Philippines. And I have the next exotic one. Sorry for the noise, someone's like doing the grass outside. And the Chevalo, yep, perfume. And I have a bunch of gloves inside a Ziploc in case I need it. I have my naloxone nasal spray, which I always have in my bag because you never know. And medicine for allergies, and pack of my vitamins, like medicine that you never know if in case you need it. I have garbage and my name tag from work. Also have my eyeglass cleaner since I wear glasses And my keys. Lip balm, tissue, tampon, and a pack of gum, and more garbage and tampon. Have my wallet, a very cute wallet. So what I have in here is 2 like Ziploc, which I love because it's like super easy to carry. So first lot, I have all of my cards, my ID, my Presto, my, what do you call this? Yeah, but all of my cards, my ID is in here. Yep, and on the second slot, I have my coffees. And that's it. Honestly, I never bring any coins or money, I mean cash on me, because I hate bringing them, and I feel like card is much easier. So yeah, and oh yeah, I also have hand sanitizer, which I always bring. It's always on my bag, so I never forget about it, because you never know. And that's it. That's everything inside my bag. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.